Hi, welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, How Kind of Girl. I have June 2019's Birchbox, which I'm so excited. I'm just going to get right in. Okay, guys, every single month for $10, you get this amazing, cute little box. Usually it folds, but this one is like a drawer. So I'm so excited. It has a little tassel, and you just pull it out, just like this. And this is different, so I'm so excited. So eventually I'll get more and more, and I can stack them into like a little beauty makeup box. Okay, let's get right in. Okay, it just says Birchbox. This is not a beauty box. For $10 a month, guys, 5 to 6 beauty samples. This is just amazing. Okay, it just says, let us explain. We started Birchbox. We set out to make the world of beauty simple. We've learned along the way that it's all about so much more than that. What we made resonated with our customers who have fastened and overlooked by an entire industry because beauty isn't the top priority. People with jobs, families, hobbies, passions, extremely full lives who deserve to have an experience of their own terms, not overwhelming. Exclusive, high expectation norms of beauty, but more than just simple. We've made something personal. We made something you see as a gift to you. Wow, so it is changing. We want to give you guys more. We know your life is so full. You probably don't take your time to prioritize you enough. This is our real goal. Every single month you will get a Birchbox. It's a reminder that you deserve to take care of you. And not just take care, but take the joy in that care. It's about making whatever time you have for your glorious discover, learn, explore, play, all of it. We are not here to tell you to take more time. We're here to tell you that the time you do have is very important and you deserve to love it. So this is a reminder and this is for you. Wow, this is so awesome, you guys. Oh, and now there's a poem. I have to get into it and then I'll get right into that box, I promise. A poem. This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you. The well-adjusted, just like your parents always hope for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking blank and taking names you. The you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, and the you that sits in the mirror waiting for the time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little more to yourself because the best of you requires a little time with you. For once in all, it's all about you. Wow, this is just amazing. So every single month you guys will receive a little card similar to this, and I will read this at the end, and on the back it will tell you about all the products. So let's get into the first product. Now I'm pretty excited about this product. This is just a Clean Rain, and this is 0.05 ounces of perfume. Now this is one of my favorite perfumes. I've actually bought this before, and it does have Dewy Melon, Water Mint, Spring Daisy, Water Lily, and Violet Leaves. So I really like this one. It's good to just, it's very convenient to just put in your purse. The next item is They're Real. It says by the Benefit Company. And this is Beyond Mascara, which is 3.0 grams, which is 0.1 ounce. It's a very small sample, again, guys, because we are just trying out these products to see if we like these products so we can order them. Okay, so this is just what the mascara looks like. So I did want to tell you guys, the full size is $25 for the Benefit Cosmetics mascara. Then the Clean perfume is $44, which isn't bad. I've actually spent $50 on it when it first came out, so $44 is a pretty good deal. The next item is this Ultra Facial Cream, a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for a healthy looking skin. So the full size for that product, for the Ultra Facial Cream, full size is $30. The daily moisturizer, which hydrates your skin for 24 hours, is rich without being greasy or absorbent, without leaving behind any residue. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty excited about trying this product because I hate moisturizers that leave residues behind. I just cannot stand it. So I'm really excited about this product. The next product is this Arbre Heat Styling Shield. Now this is, let's see how many ounces are in here. 0.5 ounces. The packaging is pretty cute. It is just gray with white. So for the full size of this is $45. Heat activated technology powers that styles which protects your hair from thermal damage while strengthening, work through damp hair and use with a hot tool guilt-free. Cool. I'm always trying to look for something to protect my hair. So I'm pretty excited about this one as well. Now I just wanted to show you guys how cute this looked in the box with the little tassel and the green and the pink. When I opened it, I thought it was so cute. Now I've gotten Luxie brushes before, but again, a girl can never have too many makeup brushes. And I think this was the bonus. Okay, yes. Okay, so at the bottom, it's $25 just for this eyeshadow brush. So I'm so excited about getting this. I love Luxie. And this is the 239 Precision Shader Brush. Cool. Then the next little eyeshadow is a Winky Luxe. So cute. Look at how cute these little cats are in the coffee cups. Just stop it. So cute. And then when you open it up, it does have the cats again. So adorable. And this shade is so beautiful. Very, very pretty. And I believe this is called Shell, S-H-A-L. So pretty. Now, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this just so you guys can see how it looks on my skin, because it does look different every time when I do swatches. So, again, look at how beautiful and how, like, pigmented, very shimmery. This is so beautiful. Let's see if it's from far away. So pretty. So I love this color. I love anything that shimmers like that. Such a beautiful, beautiful color. So for the full size of the Winky Luxe Latte Kitten Eyeshadow is, yeah, $25. It's not bad. The highly pigmented shimmery bronze shadow feels velvety on your skin, which it does. Blend onto your eyelids with your Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. So the reason why they put that in there is so you could use it for the new eyeshadow. So cute. So excited. I am literally so excited about this month. Every single month when I think about just, not getting Birchbox anymore, they literally step up their game. And when I say they step up their game, I'm absolutely in love with this box. Okay, so I did tell you guys that I was going to read this at the end. Be good to you. Self-care is different for everybody. What's important to finding what matters to you? So many times we use this well spent. So it just says, be good to you. Take a walk around the block, actually see your friends, read a book, learn something new, plan some time off from 3 months from now, wear sunscreen, treat yourself to a workout breakfast out, go to a farmer's market, be in nature, create a wind down routine, get some actual sleep, 7+ hours please, find exercise that brings you joy, moisturize your hands, give yourself a quick facial massage, and dance around your living room. Alrighty then. Okay, guys, want to say thank you so much. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. Every single month, I'm going to be putting out videos just like this to show you guys what I'm getting in my makeup boxes and other kinds of videos. Remember, guys, I am not perfect, but every single day, I'm trying to become a better person. And with that said, you cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. And please leave me a comment below what was your favorite item from my Birchbox, or if you guys received the same box. Thank you guys so much.